Hello miners, my name is David Wilson, the Communications and Engagement Manager here at Prospect Ridge Academy. Today I will be walking you through a tutorial on the new way to register for a family sponsorship ahead of this year's Miner Gold Rush and Fall Festival. Step 1, you can go straight to register now if you would like, but let's first click on this Family Sponsorship Opportunities button to take a look at the different options we have available. Here we can find the 5 different family sponsorship levels and the perks included with each level. From here, we're going to click on the Register and Create Family Sponsorship button, but before we dive in, PRA would like to extend a thank you to everyone interested in becoming a family sponsor. Your generosity and participation are a huge part of what makes MGR such a successful event each and every fall. Step 2. If you or your family members have used Run Sign Up before, your previous account information should populate here at this screen where my name is. I'm going to go ahead and select myself to get the process started. In this scenario, I'm going to select the 5K Run and Fall Festival option for myself and then start adding my additional family members / registrants. We'll fast forward through Registrant 2 and Registrant 3 since I'm going to sign them up for the 5K race and just skip ahead to Registrant 4 to give an example of what it would look like if a member of your family will participate in the fun run instead of the 5K. Quick reminder, if you don't plan on running in the 5K or the fun run, even though the family sponsorship gives you a race voucher for it, we still ask that you select one of those 2 options so that you're prompted to input your t-shirt size. Only selecting the Fall Festival option will not cue the t-shirt prompt later in this video. At this point, I'm going to select yes on the question, would you like to create a family sponsor? Whoops, I forgot to select my own gender. So we'll make that edit real quick. If any mandatory question field has not been answered, you'll get this error message before being able to move on to the next screen. We'll go ahead and look over my beautiful family of 4 here, and then proceed to the family sponsorship section. Step 3. Here I can read through the Ninja Nation waiver and accept the terms for myself and the rest of my family participants. Step 4. I need to select Create a new family sponsorship for myself and select which level I'd like to be at. Since I'm registering a family of 4 here, the Gold, Platinum, and Diamond sponsorship levels all let me get 4 or more MGR vouchers, so I'm going to go ahead and select the Gold level. The family sponsorship name, I'm going to put Wilson Family, and that's how my sponsorship name will appear on the MGR t-shirts and promotional materials. From here, I'll select the Join the Same Family Sponsorship option for the other 3 members of my family, and then select Continue at the bottom of the page. Step 5, it's time to select our MGR t-shirt sizes. If your family package selection also includes hoodies, the size that you select for your t-shirt will be used for both orders. However, if you would like a different sized hoodie than what you put down for your t-shirt, please contact us so we can make that edit manually. I'll go ahead and fill out the required sections for the 2 adults and the 2 kids. We are asking for grade level information for the students so that race results are accurately separated between elementary, middle school, high school, and adult, and that we are able to correctly track grade level, middle mountain, and peak participation. After we hit continue, we get to this optional screen where you can choose to do an additional donation if you so choose. Step 6. I can choose on this screen to receive notifications of the 5K results, scored by 3W timing, via email or my mobile device. I'll go ahead and enable the results to my phone. And for Susie in this scenario, since there is no official timing for the fun run, I'll skip this part. And finally, here at step 7, we will be able to put in our payment information. As you can see along the right side of the screen, I'm only getting charged the $500 one-time fee for the Gold sponsorship, but it still lists my 3 5K vouchers for myself, Jane, and Timmy, and the 1 mile fun run for Susie, as well as our 4 t-shirt sizes. After I enter my payment method, I can go ahead and confirm my payment, and I should be all set to have fun at the 2025 Miner Gold Rush and Fall Festival. Families can pick up race packages on either Friday, October 3rd between 4 and 6 p.m. inside the high school commons area, or at 8 a.m. the morning of Saturday, October 4th in the high school commons area. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we thank you for being a family sponsor. Go Miners!